Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are all doing great. So, in today's video, I will share my skincare routine with you guys. Now, my skin is very oily, but the products I'm showing you, they will work the best for normal skin to oily skin because my mother has normal skin and she uses almost every product which I use and they work the same way that they work for me. Okay, now, so before starting the video, I will tell you some points that this won't cost you much money. This won't cost you a lot of time, like 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and 5 to 10 minutes in the evening. That's it. That's all you need. And this doesn't require a lot of space in your home. Okay, and it's very easy, very simple. The simpler the better is what I think works for me, and I'll suggest you that only because the more complicated the skincare routine is, the more reluctant I am to follow. I don't like following a very complex skincare routine. I have tried it in past and that did not work for me. So I'm the products I'm showing you. I'm almost using them for like 5 to 6 years or more, maybe more than that. There are products I'm using since a decade, and they're working the same way for me. Okay, so with that being said, I'm giving you a very small disclaimer that these products which I'm showing you have helped me curing my skin, my acne problem a lot. Okay, they have worked the best for me, but if they don't, they might not work for you, but they will give you a very brief, a very significant idea of what you can use if you have very oily skin. Because when I started taking care of my oily skin the way it should be, I had nobody to guide. So I hope if you don't have, like, if you find this video helpful, just implement the routine, okay, and you will see the results. So I use 4 step skincare: face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, and sometimes just a face mask as well. And most of the times, I use an eye cream as well. Okay, so the face washes, I use 2 face washes. I use them interchangeably, and sometimes it's like I'm using one face wash in the morning, then I can use the other face wash in the night because I use my skincare for 2 times a day, the morning and the evening, and I will suggest you the same. Okay, this is my suggestion. This has worked the best for me. So face washes, I have 2 face washes to show you. I know almost every girl, every boy recognizes this face wash. Okay, this is Himalaya Neem face wash. As long as for as long as this product is in the market, this is coming to my home and I'm using it. Okay, I purchase it, I use it. I have used almost every variant of Himalaya face wash, almost every variant of Himalaya face wash, and this has worked the best for me. That kesar, that menthol wala blue color ka lemon something, but every face wash I have used and this has worked the best for me, hands down. This has written, there has written that neem, it's a neem face wash. I don't know what content of neem this has. This actually has, but I'm sorry for the background noise, like the vehicles passing by, but I really can't do much about it. But this face wash is very inexpensive. I have even used that 15 rupee tube, that small 15 rupee tube. I don't know if it comes in the market now. And I have used the biggest size possible of this. Okay, so I have used almost every variant, every size possible, and I'm in my mid 20s now, and I'm using it since the beginning of my teenager. So this is like, for as long as I have used it, I have used this face wash. It has never disappointed me. It takes a lot of time to, you know, getting your skin used to this face wash because so many people complain that they get pimples because of this. In my earlier teenager, even I got one, like I also got the problem of pimples, but then I interchangeably used it with other products, and this works for me. Okay, so one is this. You can see I have used and abused this tube. Okay, now the other is this soap. I know soap for face is like little bit intimidating, and most of the people don't even like the idea of soap for face, but this is Kama Ayurveda Nimba soap. This soap I'm using since a month or so. Yeah, it's been a month since I'm using this soap. This is a 75 gram of product for 250 rupees. This comes in different sizes with different products. This is like uh, yeah, this is 50 ml of product for 63 rupees. You will easily get it on a discount online. At least I get it on discount every single time possible. This is for 250 rupees, and this is a 75 gram of product. This is so good. I don't have words to explain how good this is for oily skin people. Okay, I'll tell you how you have to use it. You don't have to use a lot of it. A little goes a very long way. This one bar will easily get you through 1 year if you use it twice a day. I'm not even exaggerating. If you use it twice a day, this will easily get to you like 9 month, 10 month, or maybe a year or so. What you have to do is just wet your face and use this once. Okay, that's it. And then massage it on your face for some point of time, and then wash it. These two products give very squeaky clean feel. They both have neem. Neem is very good for oily and acne prone skin, very like acne prone and infection wali skin, and these products work the best for oily skin. I checked the reviews before purchasing this, and so many girls, so many boys had said that this is working the best for them. So I purchased it from Nykaa site, and I'm not disappointed at all. And like I've been using this for 1 month, and this is working. Like the size has not reduced as much, so this will go a long way. If you are thinking ki 75 gram of product for 250 rupees is a little little bit costlier, because Kama Ayurveda is a costly brand, but you won't disappoint. The only thing that you will need is this. Okay, now, I'm done with the face washes. I use them interchangeably. I have never used any other face wash. Like in the worst case scenario, I can use, if I get out of products. Okay, if I don't have any of these, I just use that Lakme face wash, which is kept in my washroom permanently because my siblings use it. So if I get out of products, then I use that. Otherwise, I'll just use these products. Okay, so face wash is done. Second product is moisturizer. If you recognize this, if any doctor has recommended this to you, this is the best moisturizer you can use for a normal skin type and oily skin type. I don't know if in this budget you can get a better moisturizer than this. Okay, this is medically approved. Doctors approve this moisturizer. Once I went to a skin doctor with my father, because I was suffering from a lot of acne issues, because I suffered from a lot of acne issues in my teenager. Okay, that doctor also recommended this face wash. This is like Cetaphil face wash. This is a moisturizer, but Cetaphil face wash is also very good. So what you do is just take a little bit, like 2 to 3 drops, and massage it on your skin for twice a day. And this is like somewhere around 450 500 rupees. I don't exactly remember the price, but if I find it, I'll link that in the description box. Okay, so what you do is just take 2 to 3 drops, massage them on your skin, and you are good to go. My mother has normal skin and I have extremely oily skin. This works the best for both of us. Okay, this is medically approved. This doesn't clog your pores. I don't know how to explain. If you will use it now, you will get to know that this doesn't harm your skin in any way possible. This is so good for your skin. The texture is so good. Yeah, the texture is so good and non-oily, hydrating. You will get to feel that this is a very good product. This will suit your skin very nicely. Okay, this video is not sponsored by any of these brands. I'm using multiple names of multiple brands over here, so this is like definitely not a sponsored video. And but this product is working for me, and I'm suggesting only which works for me. Now, this is Neutrogena oil free moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer for more than 4 5 years consistently. Once a day, this moisturizer is like fixed for my skin. If I'm indoor, I'll keep it here only. If I'm indoor, like if I'm not going out, this works as a sunscreen as well. Okay. Recently, I came to know about the importance of sunscreen for our face. I'm telling you, I don't like very complex skincare routine, but sunscreen is very important, very, very important. Even if you are indoors, sunscreen is important. Okay, this has SPF of 15. If I'm going outdoor, I don't have that sunscreen to show you, but if I'm going outdoor, the Neutrogena SPF 50 sunscreen, ultra dry touch sunblock something, that is hands down the best sunscreen for oily skin. That doesn't clog your pores, and I have two big size tubes of that sunscreen. This is how much I love it. Okay, like one was about to finish, and I purchased the other one. So those that sunscreen is very good, and if you are indoor, this moisturizer will work as a sunscreen for you. I don't know if it's my fifth bottle or a sixth bottle of this moisturizer, and the thing is, the texture, see the texture of this moisturizer is, see it's very runny, it's very runny, it easily get absorbed, and the smell is very very medication type smell, the very it's something doctor will suggest you. Okay, it yeah, it feels like something doctor will suggest you. So it's very good. I use this as a moisturizer and this as a sunscreen, but what I do is I use this mostly in the evening and this mostly in the morning. But I have given you a suggestion of sunscreen, and I have given you two suggestions of moisturizer. This is interchangeably a sunscreen and a moisturizer. Now, other than that, I told you I am keeping it very simple, very minimalist. This is the lip balm I use. Uh, yeah, Neutrogena, and this also has SPF of 15 in it. So our lips also use SPF. Okay, our lips also need SPF for it. So this works as a lip sunscreen as well as a very good lip balm for the skin. You just use it for like 3 to 4 times a day and call it a day. Yeah, a significant amount of product comes for like 150 rupees or something, and this is something I have actually finished 4 to 5 uh, these containers. Okay, and the other option is Nivea Cocoa lip balm, cocoa butter lip balm. That is like some brownish colored lip balm. And if I don't have this, I use that. I don't have it right now, but I'm telling you the name. Okay. Other than that, I have tried Plum green tea range as well. That green gel that comes in glass bottle and the pump wala moisturizer. Those two are green tea range of Plum, and they have worked magical for me. For oily skin, I have used those two products, that green tea range, for 8 to 9 months as my nighttime skincare routine, and they have worked wonderfully. Wonderful. So if wonderful for me. So if you have a budget of somewhere around 1200 to 1500 rupees, you can just go ahead, purchase those products from Nykaa side or anywhere other. If you get them anywhere, I'll link them down below, by the way. Okay. So if you get them anywhere, just purchase them and use them for your oily skin or normal skin. They work the best for you. Okay, they will definitely work best for you because they have worked the best for me. I'm suggesting you them. Now, for body, I use this moisturizer. I recently purchased it. Before this, I used to use the Nivea white color moisturizer. I don't exactly remember its name, but the Nivea moisturizer. I used to use it for my body, but now I use this for my body, and my mother also uses the same. Okay, and I have Sahara Desert dry skin on my body. Like it's extremely dry, and this is very good for summer. So you can definitely give it a go. There are so many moisturizers, but this is very inexpensive and a significant amount of product comes. Okay, so you can definitely give it a go. And with that, I will finish my oily skincare routine. Please don't think that if you are fighting with acne, nothing will work for you. With a lot of mistakes, I have found this skincare routine, and this works the best for me. This is so incomplicated, this is so simple, and this just requires a very tiny amount of my time. And I have given you as many alternatives as possible, and I will link all these products down in the description box below. Okay, go ahead, try any product you like, but I will definitely suggest you this soap. Okay, hands down. Although I will suggest you every product, but if you can purchase one product, that should be Calm Ayurveda soap. You won't regret purchasing that product. That has worked so good for me. Okay, so with that, I will finish my video. Skin will take a lot of time to heal, but I will give you last two tips, okay, which have significant, like you can put these products on one side and those two tips on the other side, and they have worked wonderfully for me. First, drinking a lot of water. Even now as well, before starting this video, I was drinking water only. Water helps flushing out all the toxins from the body. So definitely try to drink 3 to 4 liters of water a day. It's not a joke. You will see extreme radiance on your skin when you will start drinking water. Okay, your eyes will look more clear, your skin will look more clear, your hair will look more better. Everything gets better when you drink a lot of water. Second thing, if you have you can arrange some neem leaf for from anywhere. And if you have oily skin, like extremely oily skin the way I have, and that skin is very prone to infections and very prone to uh, pimples, what you can do is boil some neem leaf in water, let it cool down, let it cool down completely. Boil the neem leaves in water, let the water cool down completely. And what you can do is either wash your face with that water, or you can make ice cubes of that water. Okay, and what you can do is every single day whenever you get time, I prefer it like early in the morning, first thing in the morning. But if you don't have time to do it first thing in the morning or last thing in the evening, what you can do is like in any time of the day, just take one ice cube once a day only. Okay, don't do it for more than once a day, but for once a day, take that ice cube and rub it all over your face. And after some time, after 15 to 20 minutes, let the properties of neem absorb into your skin, and then wash your face. Okay, wash it with normal lukewarm water or simply cold water. It's your choice. Don't use face wash for more than twice a day. I have done this so for so long, and I'm regretting it. Like, I still regret doing this. But don't use face wash for more than twice a day, and don't use these products for more than twice a day just because you will get results much faster. Okay, keep patience. If you're a teenager, you have a lot of time to heal your skin, and even if you are in mid 20s or late 20s, these products will work best, very good for you. Okay, I'm in my mid 20s and I'm suggesting you these work the best for me. With that, I will finish the video. These are very inexpensive, so definitely give it a go. And if you like the video, just if this video helped you in any possible way, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and try taking care of your skin as much as possible. Bye bye.